x1 is negative, the projection on x2 is positive, okay? But this tangent vector here, you see, this is parallel to x3. So that's why you have 0, 0, and minus 1. You see, that's important here. He is pointing, okay, against the positive x3. That's it. So this is a tangent plane. You see, partial x, in this case, partial theta, partial phi. Okay, this result, okay, the tangent plane at P. And again, all the calculations are done on the fantasy. That's why, because I can't work at point P, because point P is just a label. That's very interesting, you see? So that's a concept, is very important. You just copy here and try to do by yourself, you see, and compare with this solution. Okay, that's it.